Hi everyone. Today, we're diving into 10 secret grammar rules to help you sound fluent in English. Each of these tips will help you speak with clarity and confidence. Let's get started. Rule 1. Use prepositions to show location and time. Prepositions are small but mighty words. They tell us where and when things happen. Here's how to use them correctly. The book is on the table. Location. I'll see you at noon. Time. She arrived in January. Time. Why prepositions? Prepositions make your sentences clearer and more precise. Practice using prepositions in everyday sentences. Rule 2. Know when to use some and any. Knowing when to use some and any makes you sound more accurate. Here's a simple rule. Use some in positive sentences. I have some books. Use any in negative and question sentences. Do you have any questions? Here are more examples. There are some apples in the fridge. I don't have any money. Why practice this? It helps your language sound more natural and keeps you from sounding too formal. Try using some and any in your daily conversations. Rule 3. Learn common sentence structures. English has simple structures like SVO, subject, verb, object. Here's what that looks like. She subject loves verb reading object. They subject watched verb a movie object. Why it matters, this structure keeps sentences clear and easy to follow. Make it a habit to structure sentences like this. Rule 4. Master the pronunciation of key words. Pronunciation can make a huge difference. Let's focus on commonly used words. Say these with me. Comfortable. Chocolate. Interesting. Why? Pronouncing words accurately makes communication smoother. Practice these words and notice how much clearer you sound. Rule 5. Use possessives to show ownership. Possessives show ownership. To make a noun possessive, add s or use of. That's Sarah's laptop. The color of the car is red. Why use possessives? They make your sentences sound specific. Try saying sentences like, that's my friend's house. Rule 6. Focus on consistent verb tenses. Using consistent tenses makes your sentences sound smooth. Stick with one tense in a sentence. Yesterday, I went to the park and played soccer. Tomorrow, I will go to the gym and exercise. Why practice this? Consistent tenses make it easier for listeners to follow your story. Try using this rule in sentences about your day. Rule 7. Say a and an correctly. Use a before words that start with consonant sounds and an before vowel sounds. I have an idea. She bought a book. Why this helps, using articles correctly sounds fluent. Practice saying a cat and an apple to build this habit. Rule 8. Emphasize meaning with pronunciation. Pronounce words clearly to emphasize your meaning. For example, stressing really. I really love this. Stressing need. I need to study. Why? Emphasis shows emotion and makes you sound more engaged. Try it with words you use daily. Rule 9. Avoid repeating words. Repetition can make sentences sound less natural. Here's how to switch it up. Instead of beautiful, try lovely or gorgeous. Instead of big, try huge or massive. Why mix it up? Varying vocabulary makes you sound fluent. Practice this by describing things differently. Rule 10. Use gerunds after prepositions. When a verb follows a preposition, use the ing form gerund. I'm good at swimming. She's interested in learning. Why? Using gerunds correctly makes your sentences flow. Try it in sentences like I'm excited about traveling. Real-world practice and application. Use these rules in everyday conversations. Look for opportunities in headlines or current events to practice words like some, any, and use gerunds. For example, if there's a headline about a sports event, think of sentences like, I'm excited about watching the game. These practices make English relevant to your life. Practice makes perfect. Don't forget, practice is key. Every time you use these grammar hacks, you'll sound more fluent. Try creating your own sentences with these rules every day. Thank you all for joining today. Keep practicing and enjoy the journey. See you next time.